Hi, my name is Ayas Koda and I am 10O Science, and the title of my investigation is what type of acid gives the maximum bounce height to an egg. The aim of the experiment is to investigate how different types of acids affect the vertical bounce height of an egg. The hypothesis of the experiment is if the acids are changed, then red wine vinegar will have the highest bounce compared to apple cider vinegar and white vinegar. This is all the equipment needed for the experiment. We put on the gloves. Next, we're going to label all the cups. 3 red wine vinegar, 3 white vinegar, and 3 apple cider vinegar. Next, we'll place an egg into each paper cup. Next, we'll measure 100 milliliters of red wine vinegar and place it into these cups. Now that we've measured 100 milliliters of red wine vinegar, we'll now place it into the cup. Now that we washed the container, we'll do the same with the apple cider vinegar. Now that we measure 100 milliliters, we'll pour it into 3. Now that we measure 100 milliliters of white vinegar, pour it. We can see the immediate effect of all the eggs with the eggshells getting more clearer, and there's bubbles forming around the eggshells. For the white vinegar, the red wine vinegar, and with apple cider vinegar, it does not appear as much as the other 2 vinegars. Observing them, we can see that all of them have bubbles surrounding them. And now 48 hours later, we have now let the eggs set. They are now ready to bounce. Now that we've finished with the red wine vinegar, now we'll wash all the white vinegar eggs. Now that we've done the red wine vinegar and the white vinegar, now we'll do the apple cider vinegar. Now we're gonna wash it. By the color, we can see the apple cider vinegar and white vinegar have a similar color, while the red wine vinegar has a dark purple color around the eggshell. Now we have marked up 10 centimeters over here, and we have taped on a ruler onto a door to see how high the egg bounces. Now we're going to drop the red wine vinegar egg. Now that we have bounced all the red wine vinegar eggs, we'll now bounce the white vinegar eggs. Now that we've got all the results for the apple cider vinegar egg, we'll now conduct the white vinegar egg bounce. Now that our experiment has concluded, we can now see that our aim was tested in this experiment. The aim being to investigate how different types of acids affect the vertical bounce of an egg. And in this experiment, we investigated that. However, my hypothesis was proved invalid, as the hypothesis stated if the acids are changed, then red wine vinegar will have the highest bounce compared to apple cider vinegar and white vinegar. This was proved invalid as red wine vinegar did not have the highest bounce. To conclude, we can now see that the experiment conducted is valid. Through the process of osmosis and with letting the egg set in vinegar for 48 hours, I conducted how high an egg bounced using 3 different types of vinegars: red wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and white vinegar. White vinegar had the highest bounce average of 6.33 centimeters, followed by red wine vinegar with a bounce height average of 5.67 centimeters, and finally apple cider vinegar with an average bounce height of 4.5 centimeters. Thank you for viewing my experiment.